of everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
Hey guys, welcome back to JD Rides, and in today's video I'm going to be just riding my MT09. I'm heading back home. Just enjoy the exhaust note this video, guys. Guys, just one 10-second thing I'd like to tell you before we get into this video. Please use headphones for this video because the backfire is somewhat faint, so you might not hear it that well because the mic was in the helmet. So please wear headphones and you can enjoy this video now. Goes put. This is so good, so satisfying. Didn't see that. Oof. How are you guys liking the sound? I hope you guys are enjoying it. If you did, then you guys can click on the like button, subscribe button and share button. That was a mad backfire. MT09 with an M4 Decat exhaust. Probably the best combination out there. Let's try A mode now. Oh, look at these two trucks. They are playing, these two truck drivers. I don't, these two truck drivers I'll never go in the middle of. I just saw them, no? Cops also are here. So few of you asked me, no, how do I survive with an aftermarket exhaust with cops all around? It's all luck. Waiting for that backfire. I'm gonna go slow so I don't get caught by cops in the city. Let's see how that goes, guys. Because I'm aware of 4 places where cops might be. Let's chill and ride. Guys, after all that nonsense we did on the bike, we got 21.4 kmpl. This bike is just next level. Z would have given me probably 10. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was just me riding the MT09, and I wanted you guys to enjoy the exhaust. Even on the Z900 I didn't like the Chapri SC project, but I didn't like the inline 4 sound. Like, I did like it, it just got boring for me. This one I like better, the cross plane triple from Yamaha. So I wanted you guys to hear it, and that's it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, definitely consider liking, sharing and subscribing, and I'll see you guys in another one.